Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel HPM Tech. The conversation 5 ways to use patterns to support your well rank. COVID-19 has the short but can suspect affects people physical and mental health sector. Agnes description have increased around world which great effect is living under section lockdown. Many people physical activities levels also feel during lockdown duration target can help up push against this negative effect before the pending having brain drains was accessed with better health well-being and his partners is opponent during COVID-19 is our reset our garden during the UK fast lockdown population is working paper this summer. We found it more frequent guaranteed visit we expect with better will bring other work. I also found that guidelines have pet regularment discussed during the pandemic with headache med. These 5 ways to using guidance that research suggested improvement you can mental health if you exercise difficult to report this out. Boss method anyways feeling good work for he changes the his next your paper guidance 12 part this other lockdown first number do you something anything people with garden every day for my physical activity and every this which when we are parts are more likely to be accessed with better physical and mental increase your have guideline get increase your guideline link should give to go guide more physical height risk and see go do law building and remember a few other lockdown bring physical activity other parts of your life to do nothing guideline here restore the activity content might task provide perfect space for break free working has home partner natural thing such teas plate and water easy demanded the title effort simply staying guidance effect relax beneficial and medical web link guideline setting also is seen keep people our reached old is enjoy the so max time and watch those to relax with book improvement avoid physical lazy 3p alone guidance and previous encourage demand after the world around just this physical restore because these are place regret was from was today daily life in other hosts able to go this heading guidelines should the other lockdown remember that guideline is good space away from work and other people out of few minutes you can most return work and life feeling refreshed and more protection for be social research also highlights the values of spending time with others outside the are lot ways to use guidance from socializing building relationship you can put play games outside have great chat any negative other friends invited friend right choosable. I think the news take much about enjoyable the outdoors driving. Five go to nature other manufactured mental physical health rank the preservation biodiversity like feeling water having more natural create such effect. Of course, of net every is a guidance, but every you can do have outdoor space you can honor. You can still following some these trips. Indoor plant can use creation more natural. Every have been shown improvement more green express such traceable returns and what currency can post more safely estimate vehicle parks then show reservation if you wait speed social time outdoor goods just is relaxes and timing. Enjoy your guidelines does have intuitive guides. You can make what meant to be stocks. The conversation comment on the articles right reachable follow equal physical university suggest Sarah holding research following health University of Swansea even with right Sarah course are currently research the roles that net play people during the pandemic. This project the UK Economist of Social Research Fund you might like also Metroverse is not just benefit your idea also let these are many recent bits what improvement not only provide against physical lines and like it great provide webinar population is access in country long term growth and development but despite career format tracks posted publishers feeding their training despite career for who are which improvement and solving content with such suggested along levels better will be our views not any what is in natural selling in the latest study. Method built experience USC subscribe my channel for latest session updates. Thanks for watching.